Hello, my friends. My name is Aura Raquel Estor. I am 37 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I study psychology. Exercise. Using the present perfect continuous, answer the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I have been working for the last year at Compubiki Company. Have you been exercising in the last year? What kind of exercise do you practice? Yes, I have been exercising for the past year. I have been practicing and playing basketball. Next exercise. Complete each sentence with the correct phrasal verb. I'm going to get back drinking beer. I'm so fat that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa's taken a photography. He's just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know how my wife puts up with me. I drink too much and a bad husband and am terrible person to live with. If you don't hurry, will miss the train. Transfer this sentence into reported speech. Sarah asks, "Are you busy tonight?" Sarah asked me if I was busy that night. I am working in a hospital, she said. She said that she was working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night, he said. He said that they had made a great dinner the night before. Thank you. Bye-bye.